Hey guys, Lady Liberty Stacker here. It's Monday evening, April 30th, 2018. And I did unjar my first jewelry jar. I actually had recorded it as my camera battery here was kind of, I don't know. It was acting up, so I figured I'd do it on a different camera. And it was kind of, the lighting was dark. It didn't turn out, so I went ahead and just opened it. I checked everything over, researched a couple of items, and just wanted to show you guys what the contents are. A lot of people will pay $20 and $30 for these. I paid $5 a piece. This actually was my first jewelry jar, and I still haven't opened it yet. Looks kind of interesting. Has some interesting things in there. It may be nothing. You just don't know. I may not do a lot of jewelry jars at my Goodwill, for $5. I don't know what you're going to get, but it looked interesting at the time. That thing looked interesting. That looks interesting. So you just don't know. So for this jar, I have a bunch of plastic bracelets, probably of very little value. I have a couple of metal, cheap metal, whatever they are, black glittery bracelets. I'm not sure if I'm going to sell them or not. It's a question of, is it worth your time? And then I have an earring without a mate. I have another earring in there without a mate, a cheap big beaded necklace, plastic beads. And then over here, this is a beaded bracelet that somebody made, and this is a fake pearl necklace. Actually, it's probably about 18 inches long. Doesn't look too bad, but it's fake. So again, I don't know what I'm going to do with that, but they're not real. This is kind of a stretchy bracelet. I may be able to do something with that. Again, when you get these jewelry jars, you're really hoping to find sterling or gold, which people have done. You don't know till you try it. And you have to try what's in your area first. So here's some interesting stuff. And there's some pins, a flag pin on an A. You got a Christmas tree pin. Looks like the Star of Bethlehem on this one. Oh, let me see. Probably need a tripod, but it's easier just to hold it here so you can see the angle of everything here. And then this one is a cross, rhinestone type cross. And I figured I'd test them with my magnet. And this is a belt buckle. Kind of cool looking, but it is not silver. It's too shiny to be silver, and it looks like it's broken anyway. I don't know. But I don't think that stuff has too much value. But if you put the magnet to this, it does pick it up. At least it picks up there. I'm not sure if the top part is anything or not. It didn't seem to want to pick up. It picks up the Christmas tree. So, let me picks up that. Let me do it with my right hand to be a little bit easier. Picks up the Christmas tree. And the other stuff. There we go. It didn't want to pick up this cross, but I looked at it. There's no writing on it, so it probably isn't anything. So let me get this. I'm going to put pause the camera for a minute. So the magnet picks everything up here except for this rhinestone cross. But I don't really know if it's anything, but at least it has all its rhinestones. I've seen a lot of people unbox these jars or open them, and they have things that are missing. So nothing is missing here. Of the more interesting pieces, I have a pair of vintage clip earrings. Magnet did not pick these up, so I'll have to look them up to see if it's worth selling. They're kind of neat looking. They're old. They've been around a long time. I may try to clean them up a little bit, and you never know. And then a nice bracelet here. And it is just a hinged bracelet. I don't think it's any precious metals because the magnet though didn't pick it up, but there's no writing or anything on it. So, and then we have a pair of snowman earrings. The magnet did pick these up, But yeah, they were probably on sale. Nickel free, I think it's kind of neat. I could try to sell them at Christmas time maybe. Nickel free is neat. There are some people that are allergic to nickel in the costume jewelry and earrings. So that's a selling feature. So I may be able to get maybe $8 for them. Who knows? If not, I can wear them. I mean, I think they're kind of cute. Then there's a pair of silver tone, or maybe they're sterling. I don't know. The magnet doesn't pick any of these guys up. The only one it picks up are these beaded earrings, which I think are pretty cool, actually. Let me go ahead and see if I can pick these up. They're really neat. I don't know if somebody made them by hand. There's a little crystal thing at the bottom. I think these are acrylic beads, but they're very nicely done. Nice dangles. And I've seen a lot of things online like that go for about $8, $9, something like that. But the magnet's picking up the hinge there in these earrings, but I don't think they're anything of great value. And then these are really nice retro vintage earrings with danglies. And you can see them there. I think these are a really nice pair. Nothing too valuable, but I can probably get about $10 plus shipping for them, or somewhere in there. Who knows? And then some interesting pieces. You have a necklace here with different, looks like, I don't know what you would call it. Kind of like, they look almost like snowflakes or something. They're kind of cool looking beads, but stuff like this will sell. So I'll do a little bit of research on that. The magnet did not, yep, it did pick it up. There you go. So it's basically costume jewelry, but it's got some sort of metal in it. I don't know if it's aluminum or what. Who knows? Hang on just a minute. Got to put the camera down because these magnets are really, really strong. They really grab on. Let me go ahead and put that back down. Sorry about that, guys. And then there's a very thick, it's not that old, it's got a tag on it. But this is like it's not a choker, it's a little bit longer than that. But they are marketing these on eBay for girls to wear to prom or parties and things like that. So it may be the perfect time to put this up. This is not precious metals, but it's got really cool large beads on here with cool designs. And this is a pretty heavy duty necklace, and it's got this lobster claw clasp, but I think it's pretty cool. So I can probably get maybe $15, $20. I don't know for that. And then the most interesting thing was, of course, I like these earrings. I can always use them myself if they don't sell. But I found a watch. You usually find a watch in these things. This is a Chico's. Not the Chico's clothing, I don't think, but it's a Chico's watch. It's silver toned or silver plated because it had some toning on it, and I dipped it, and it came right off. So, and the magnet does not, let me see, does not pick it up. So it is silver plated. I didn't see any markings on it, but it also says Chico's, see if I can pull it up here, Japan movement, stainless steel back. So it's not in bad shape, so I might be able to get a few bucks for this as well. I don't really know. It's not working right now. It needs a battery. And batteries are at least $5, so it just depends on what I can get for it, if I'm going to do anything with it or not. But I think it's kind of neat, so you just never know. So that's what I got for my jewelry jar, and I'm going to let you go, guys, because my space is filling up here. I'm going to have to delete some pictures. It doesn't let me record a lot. But I am going to on-jar this at some point, and hopefully I find something interesting in there. That is interesting. I think I can get my $5 back, and then I'm just going to repurpose or redonate the rest of that back in the jar, give it back to Goodwill, and they can do another one. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Please leave a comment in the description below. Give a thumb up if you like, and go and make it a great day.